this week's Aqua tip is a combination. So we're going to be doing arms, then legs, and then we're going to the arms and then add legs. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to start off with the feet not too wide apart. Your arms are out to either side. You're going to pull in and push out, and then go right arm and out. Both arms, left arm and out. Both arms, right arm and out. Both arms, left arm and out. So, fingers spread apart. Again, watch the difference when I have my fingers close together. I'm still pulling as hard as I can. It's actually quite hard to get my fingers together, but I am working hard with my fingers together. And then what happens when I open my fingers? You should see a little bit more turbulence. And that's because I can create more force with an open hand, and I've got more turbulence, I've got more resistance, so I've got more surface area. So that's the base combination. So I actually start with that. Two hands, and the palms are turning in, the palms are turning out, palm is turning in, the palm is turning out. And I want to see that level of intensity in the water. That's the sort of drive action I want to see. Then I go option one, you can add jumping jack. So in, out, stabilize. In, out, stabilize. In, out, stabilize. In, out, stabilize. So it's just a simple jumping jack. Nothing too hard, it just adds a little bit of coordination to it. So this is definitely an upper body workout, legs not so much now. Then I give option number two. So instead of doing a regular jumping jack, they're going to lift their knees up and out. So it goes up, out, stabilize. Up, out, stabilize. Now look at how my hands are meeting in the front still. Yeah, that hasn't changed. I've just added the lift of the legs. So now my heart rate's going up a little bit more. Legs have definitely got a little bit more of a roll with this exercise. So it's a level 2. Level 3 with this, the arm combination changes slightly. So I say level 3, 1, 2, in, out. 1, 2, in, out. Up, push, pull. Up, push, pull. And when I bring my legs together, in this jumping jack, my hands don't turn around. So I come in and I push out the back of my hand. So some things have changed here. So there's the 3, well actually it's 4 levels. I do the arms only, then I add the jumping jack, which isn't a huge, big change. And then there's the big knee, the big end jack, the knees coming up. And then the final one is the aerial jack starting with feet wide apart. When the arms were supposed to be coming in and out, we substituted that. So I love giving levels in a class because I can cater for more people. And also it's just sort of fun to see who chooses what. So great little combination, gets the heart rate up a little bit. Arms are definitely working hard with this, and so is your midsection muscles. And that's this week's Aqua tip. This arm combination initially is actually pretty easy to demonstrate on land, but then as we add on the jacks and all the other parts, it can become a little bit more physically challenging. So let's go through it. So remember, you're starting with feet apart, but not really wide apart. Arms out, and I talk about spread the fingers wide. You want to pull in with both arms and push out, and then pull in and out with the right arm. Both arms in and out, left arm open and out. So push, pull, make sure that you turn the palms against the water. Notice I'm using my whole upper body to also emulate what it would be like if I was in the water and I was moving against resistance. So that was option 1. Then we had option 2, which was when we added the jumping jack. Again, not super hard. So you're going to push in, pull out, right arm. In, out, left arm. Pull in, push out, right arm in and out. In, out, left arm in and out. So that one's not too challenging. Where it gets more interesting is when we add the double knee tucks or the big end jack, and that's going to be super challenging to demonstrate with your arms and your legs from land. The best thing to do is to start sitting down. So I like to sit down in a chair and demonstrate. Now if you want to work harder, jump in, jump out, right arm. Jump in, jump out, left arm. Jump in, jump out, right arm. Once I've demonstrated at least twice, not 3 times, I'll go and use an Aqua frame or the back of the chair and demonstrate that when they jump in and out, I want a really big jump and then in, out. Really big jump, in, out. So you want to demonstrate the height of the jump, ideally with something like an Aqua frame. So they get the real boom, boom, in, out. But you've already known what the arms are going to be from what you did in the C position, right? Okay, so then we have the final option. So you can actually demonstrate this on deck, or you may also need to demonstrate this using a frame. So from the deck position, I'll go, okay, so if you want to take it up even higher, jump up, in, out, jump up, jump up. Now I don't find those jacks super hard to do, but that's because it's me. Now I appreciate that that would be just out of the question for a lot of instructors, so depends also on your environment. So you put your Aqua frame or your chair in front of you and you go in, out. If you want to work harder, jump up, in, out, jump up. You could demonstrate it sitting down. It's a little bit more awkward. So you could demonstrate in, out, jump up, in, out, jump up. But make sure that they understand that they've got to keep their legs straight, which sometimes when you're sitting down isn't demonstrated that well. That's why I love using this piece of equipment. Yep, you could also demonstrate this, you know, in, out, jump, in, out, jump. So they get the impression of what the arms are doing when the legs are going. It's not something that you're going to always be able to demonstrate arms and legs at the same time. You participants work it out. And if you're an effective teacher, you'll be able to communicate that message well. And that's this week's Aqua tip.